Hi guys, for Mac users, Mahmoud Matuk inshallah will explain to you how to manage the histogram and the Polygon and the Ogive when you have the quantitative raw data. Shall you start, Mahmoud?
Okay.
Go ahead.
If you want to graph scatter plot or polygon, to be specific, we choose symbol, then we choose y variable. If you want the polygon, we choose frequency and the midpoint.
Mahmoud, first you have done what?
Polygon.
To manage with this scattered plot.
Yes.
The table, I mean, this table, how you did it?
This table, we should did it again?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Open a new sheet, Mahmoud. Open a new sheet, press plus, and make the Minitab bigger, please. Yeah. Copy the raw data. Yes. Excellent. Copy the raw data. The first column only. Copy it.
Sorry.
Copy the first column. You can shade it, Mahmoud. You can shade it and copy the values. Yep, that's it. Start, please.
Okay, so we want now to get the class boundary.
Yep.
For 7 classes. So we will start from 34.5.
Yeah, because this is the minimum. You sort the values from the minimum
and
to the maximum. Yep. And the class width. How you get the class width, Mahmoud? The maximum,
the range,
minimum over.
Yes, over
the number of classes. It is 6 classes.
Number of classes.
As far as I know, it's 6 classes. So the class width is becoming 7. 7. Because you have 40. 75 minus 35 or 40 over 6 will be 6 point something. So I get the 7. So add 7 to this one.
Okay, we will get
41.5.
41.5.
To get the next one, the end of the first one is a start for the next one. If you're using the class boundaries.
Then we add the 7.
Yes.
It will be 48.
Yep.
0.5.
Why he accepting this one, Mahmoud? Because it is text, right? If it is a numeric number, it cannot accept the minus in between. So it is becoming text now. Okay, go ahead.
48.5. We add the 7, it will be 54.5 or 55.
Doctor, class width will be 7?
Yes, as far as I know. The maximum value is 75. Is it 75, Mahmoud? Can you go down to check?
Yes.
75. Yeah, 75 minus the minimum, 35, will be 40. 40 divided by, he's asking you for 6 classes. 40 over 6, it will be 6 and something. So you take the next one to be integer, because the class width must be integer. So you have 7.
The difference between the class widths should the class boundaries should be 6, right? Not 7?
7, not 6. If you have the class, only the class limit, class limits, it will be 6. For the class boundary, it will be the. This is why you have no gap. This is a good question. This is a good question. Okay, Mahmoud. This is the last one.
Yes.
Thank you.
So now after the class boundary, we will get the frequency.
Excellent.
For each one, we can
count how many.
Count how many one of them.
Yeah.
From 34.5 to 41.5.
Just saving time, get you the one you have done. Copy the one you have done, just to save time, right? And then now you can graph what?
Sorry, doctor. Because we added, because I did add the two.
No, yeah. Cut this one and cover it. And we'll explain it when coming to that.
Because I did add two column,
Yeah.
two rows there.
Yes. So you get this value. We'll explain this one now.
Okay.
For the polygon, yeah. Now you can do the bar chart, right? The histogram.
The histogram.
Can you do it, please?
We go to graph, histogram.
Yeah.
We choose symbol.
Yeah.
Then we choose our raw data.
Yeah.
Which is
No,
level.
the raw data. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
We go to option.
Yeah.
We need to fit normal distribution.
No need. No need.
Okay.
After the class of today, we can do it.
Okay.
Okay. Now this will give you the histogram. Go and see it. This is not with 6 classes, right?
Yes.
So you have to go with for what, as you said before?
For polygon.
No, scattered plot.
Yes.
Go for the scattered plot. Because the histogram is not valid for this one.
Yes.
Okay. What is your y?
My
the frequency. Yeah.
For x, didn't we should make the midpoint first?
No. For the histogram, you don't use a midpoint count.
Okay.
Class boundaries. Tamam? Okay. Yes, using symbols or using bar. You don't have the option to make the histogram here, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So the histogram is roughly impossible, right?
Yeah.
So, but it's okay and see what's going on. Okay. He's saying this is to be confidential. This is not allowed to control how many classes in the histogram using Mac. It's really difficult, right? But we can do the polygon.
Yeah.
Go ahead. For the polygon, you need what, Mahmoud?
For the polygon, we need the midpoint.
Excellent. Go and do it.
So for each one, we added to other and divided by 2.
Excellent.
For each class. So first one will be 34.5.
Yeah, it will be roughly 76 divided by 2. It will be 38. After you get the first one, Mahmoud, what you are going to do?
After I get first one, add 7 only.
Excellent. The class width.
The class width, yes. So 38 plus 7, it will be 45. 45 plus 7, it will be 52.
Excellent.
And 52 plus 7 will be 59.
Excellent.
And then it will be 66. And the last one will be 73.
Yes.
Now we can graph the...
But before you go, Mahmoud, we have to do what? To close the polygon from the 2 sides.
We should
add a dummy class before the first one and after the last. How you can make this one?
So we insert cell or a row.
Says row better because you go for all of them. Okay, insert row. Excellent. Now you forget about this one. Now
we
add the dummy one. Minus 7. Subtract 7.
So it will be 20.
27.5.
1.5 to.
And for sure, the end will be the start of this one, right?
Yeah. And the frequency will be 0.
Yes, because we have no less than the minimum. And midpoint
0. No, the midpoint will be
31.
31. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we add another dummy in the last.
To be honest, yeah, it will be 31. Yeah. And this one, it will be what?
It will be from 75.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah. Two.
82.5.
Excellent, Mahmoud, mashallah.
Frequency.
And the frequency will be 0 because I have no more than the maximum. But I do this one to close the polygon from both sides.
Yes, the midpoint we add 7, so it will be 80.
Excellent. Now you are ready to make the proper polygon.
Yes.
You go for what?
We go for graph, scatter.
Doctor,
Just wait a minute, please. Okay.
And y variable will be the frequency,
Yes, always.
and the x will be the midpoint.
Excellent. Okay.
And then we choose the connect line.
Excellent.
And untick the symbols
Thank you very much.
and press OK. This is polygon.
Excellent. Yep. Excellent. Can we go for the Ogive, please?
Yes. So the Ogive, we need the cumulative frequency.
Can you open? Okay. Can you open a new sheet?
Okay.
And copy what you need? Okay. Complete it.
I need the frequency or the midpoint.
Yeah. I need only the midpoint and the frequency. Okay. Now, no need for the dummy one, Mahmoud. Okay. So I can delete this row.
Okay.
You see what I mean? This is why I'm saying just copy it in a new sheet. That's very good to have proper polygon close from both sides. I appreciate this one.
Okay. So now we have it.
Yeah. You have to do for what? The polygon?
Cumulative frequency.
Excellent. Cumulative frequency.
For the cumulative frequency, we put the first frequency. Then we add it to the next frequency, so it will be 5.
Yep.
5 plus 1 will be 6.
Yes.
Plus 6 will be 12.
Yes.
Plus 8, 20, and 28.
Excellent. Now you are ready for the Ogive, right?
Ogive, yes.
From where in Mac you are going to do it?
Graph to scatter plot.
Excellent. Yes.
We choose symbol.
Yep.
Then we need the frequency in y variable. We change the midpoint to cumulative frequency.
Yeah.
And the same. No change.
Yeah. Excellent.
This is Ogive.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Mahmoud, can you do the relative frequency?
Sure.
Relative Ogive?
Relative.
Ogive. So you need the relative frequency. The cumulative relative frequency. So you will get the relative frequency first, and then you get the relative.
We go
the
to
cumulative.
calc.
Yep.
Then calculator.
Yep.
Where we want to store our result to relative frequency.
Yes.
The expression, we choose frequency, then add function, which is sum.
Divided by. Mahmoud, you would like to divide the frequency by the sum.
Yes.
Yes, the sum. Yes, excellent.
Of the frequency.
Yep, excellent.
Press enter. We will have the relative frequency.
This is what? This is the relative frequency. It's not. Is it okay for the Ogive? Yes, we could include the relative cumulative frequency. Can you change the title, please? Change the title for the column. Because it's not the relative frequency, it's relative, cumulative relative frequency. So put cumulative before relative. Before relative. Before.
دكتور بس ممكن تعيد لي الفورمولا بتاعت الريلاتيف فريكونسي تاني؟
Okay, I will ask him to do it.
شكرا دكتور.
Cumulative. CUM, that's it. No. It's not in the cell, Mahmoud. Okay. You can do it again, Mahmoud. Change the title and we can do it again. Yes, do it again, please. Cut this one. Okay.
We go to calculator.
Yes, excellent.
We want to store it in cumulative relative frequency. We edit. This is the formula.
Yeah. Tell him the formula. When you have the relative, you divide the frequency over the sum
Of the
of
frequency.
the frequency, right?
Yes.
Because you use this one for the cumulative frequency, so you have to use the cumulative frequency, not the frequency.
Yes.
The mistake here, for the frequency, change it by cumulative frequency. Yes, before the division. Yeah, this is a mistake. You go for the cumulative frequency. Where is the cumulative frequency? Where?
This one.
Okay. Now you are ready to have the cumulative relative frequency.
Yes.
Yes. You have to end with 1 or 100%. Do you see what I mean?
Yes.
Otherwise, it will be wrong. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Guys, can anyone solve number 18, please? Number 18. I'm just waiting your answer, and you share your screen when you finish and explain to us how you did it. Muhammad, how to find, how you get the mean? You multiply the x times p in a column using the calculator, right? But you didn't get the variance. Yeah. No, the mean is not x star p, Muhammad, please. Change this one. Delete the mean from the title of C3. It is not the mean. It is x times p only. Why you delete all of them? I'm saying type x star p and delete the mean. The word mean, delete it. Okay? And don't be in a hurry. Don't write the variance. Here, write the mean. Next column, C4, write the mean. Okay, go and calculate the mean first. The sum is not the mean, yeah. This column x star p, not the sum. How we get the mean? The mean is the sum of this column, right? Go for calc. Okay. Calculator. Yeah, excellent. Delete all of this one. You shared it in one go. Okay. You are going to store it in what? Can you move this one to see where is it you are going to store it? Yeah, in the mean, yeah. What is the expression? You are going to sum, so use the function sum. Yeah. The function the right hand side to down. Oh, don't write it. Take it from the function. Go down. Go down. It is S. Yeah. I can write it from here. You have some function sum, yeah, Muhammad, Allah Yahdik. You are engineering students. Yeah, I write some, doctor. Don't write some. Choose it from here. From here? It is it from this function. The normal sum, yes. Inside this one, write, input the column you would like to have the sum for. So the XP, yes. Excellent. Now press OK. You will store it in the mean. Yeah, this is the mean. Excellent. Muhammad, variance is not straightforward. You need another column for x squared star b. So you have a column x squared star b. Okay, go and calculate it. Yes. What is the expression? Where is x? Where is x? You would like to square x, yeah, Muhammad. So go for x with the frequency. Shift and 6 to make square star P. What's P? Yeah, the probability. Excellent. Now you have the column stored in the x square P. Yes. Excellent. Now you would like to have the sum for this one. Now write the sum of x square P. Write sum of x square P. X square P. Yes. Can you expand this one, please, a little bit? Make it wider. Now, how to find the sum? Go for the calculator. Yeah, go for the sum. Delete this one and see where you are going to store it. And now choose the sum function. You are going to type it. Type it. If you like to type it, type it. Okay, I don't mind. If it works, that's okay. Okay, now replace, would you like some what? X square P? Yeah. Yeah, okay. And you store it in the sum space. Yes, this is the sum. Next, you can write the variance. This is the logic. This is a logarithm, Muhammad. What you are going to do, what is the formula for the variance? Write the variance. Now you go to calculate the variance formula. I'll show it to you again if you need. Yeah, you are going to store it what? Where you are going to store it, Muhammad? In the variance column. In the variance column. Yeah. Yeah. And now what's the expression? The expression of not sum, the difference between the sum of x square P. Yes. No need for sum, Muhammad. You have it already. Can you move this one right or left, please? Move this window right or left. Yeah. Okay. Now you have the sum of x square P and minus the mean square, right? Yeah. Minus the mean. Press the mean. And square it. And square it. Yep. This is the formula. Thank you. Okay. Well, this is a column, Muhammad. Muhammad, why you just do this one? Please cut this one. Shade it and cut it, please. Okay, delete it. Fine. Calculate. What's the problem here? Why you are shading the column, Muhammad? يا ابني الاكسبريشن sum of x square p مش x square p. Look at your mistakes. This is not x square p. You need the sum of x square p. This is why he gave you a column. انت بتحذف دي ليه؟ لا 1 minute. Minus the sum of the mean, right? Yeah. No, not sum of the mean. The mean is square. Mean square. Press the mean and put square, please. Okay. Okay. Yep. Now you have one value, right? You have to be very careful which one you are going to use in your formula. Done? You are looking for the standard deviation. Can you type the standard deviation, please? Yeah, how to find the standard deviation, Muhammad? Just the square root of the variance, right? You store it where? First, you have to, no. First, the first cell is very important. Yeah, you are going to store it where? Standard deviation. Okay, what is the formula? The square root of the variance. Go and choose the square root. First, go and choose the square root, please. What type of laptop you are using, Muhammad? You hitting like I'm hitting it with a hammer. Root square. Root square. Square root. Yeah. Okay. Square root. Okay. Of the variance. Okay.
Then that's okay.
That's it. The standard deviation is the root square of square root of the variance. That's okay. Thank you very much. I have to record it. So you have to distinguish between when I'm going to use the descriptive statistics in the Minitab. Okay. Descriptive statistics is only for raw data. Okay. When you have frequency, class boundary frequency table, you have to use a calculation to calculate up to the formula. If you have probability distribution table, also you have to use a calculator to do it, similar to what I have done here for the Arabic class. Okay, but it doesn't mean when you click stat and go for descriptive and you choose the X and PX and input both of them, okay, say this is the one and this is a P. This is not the way of having the mean and the standard deviation and the variance from the probability distribution table. This is not right, because he dealing with this one as two different variables, but they are not two different variables. This is one variable and its probability. So when I press OK, he gave me the answer. Yes, he gave me the answer. But do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. This is he exclude X as a variable and exclude the P of X as another variable. And he got the data, the descriptive statistic for each one separate, but they are not separate variables. I wish don't make this mistake. So let's go.
Doctor?
Yeah.
Doctor, tomorrow you will make the mock